Oh, here's this guy just flaming up. Still eating like a caveman. Oh, gosh. Did you see all that animal fat? Like, if someone served me that, I would be like, hey, Frugivore, welcome back. We are on Instagram, on Yovana Mendoza's Instagram page, and I'm sorry that we're here and that I need to put you through, more of this ridiculous diet that she's following, but I have heard a few rumors that it's got worse. I'm not sure if it could get worse, but we're going to check it out today. I'm going to check in with Yovana and see what she's been cooking. And she has 1 million followers, but I swear she had 2 million followers before. It's really interesting. But anyway, yeah, these are the reels that we are going to check out. But before we do, this is my Instagram page. I don't really post there a lot. As you can see, she's got nearly 5,000 posts and I've only done 1,818. I'm a little bit slack there, but I'm going to be starting a new Instagram page as soon as the new channel gets started. And we've been wanting to film the first video, but it's been raining here for about almost like 2 weeks. So it's on and off and it's just not consistent enough. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a new Instagram page, new channel. It's going to happen. It's going to be amazing. So anyway, let's get into it and vote and leave your comment down below. All right. Well, this one seems like the obvious first choice, right? Oh, okay. So there's I have not seen this before, right? So there's obviously music on. Let's start this again. Oh gosh, where do I begin? Beef heart, so cow heart tacos. Yes, you read it right. Beef heart. She's like, Yovana will act excited about anything, I swear. Why the heart? Because it's full of benefit. Oh gosh, don't even bother reading all this rubbish. Okay, you are a human frugivore. You're not designed to take in the cow's heart and what comes with it, or it's just toxic. So anyway, she's drinking some wild tonic. Like, look at her smiling. This seems crazy to me, psychotic. Like, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? This is the heart of a cow, like so detached, because Yovana didn't harvest that heart, did she? Oh gosh. Just terrible. Yeah, vinegar. Yeah, let's start to make it taste like something else. Oh, lots of it. Load it on. Yeah, marinate it. Oh, gosh. Did you see all that animal fat, the ghee going in? Heaps of it. So at the moment, she's trying to make it taste like something else because it's just like, oh, I could just imagine the smell, right? The smell must be putrid. Huh. Now she got some tacos or something. Is this more ghee? Yikes. Like, seriously, Dorian has been the worst influence ever on this woman. And she is so easily influenced. I know if she suddenly they broke up and suddenly she was with a vegan guy, she would go vegan. Plant-based at least, because she is so easily influenced. Raw cheese. Yikes. Be careful. At least she's cooking it, I guess. It's not exactly raw when you fry it up, is it? And what? Is that oh, that's a quesadilla. I thought that was like salami or something. Tiny little portions. Tiny little portions. I mean, look how small this thing is. So really, like, it goes a long way from actually tasting like a cow's heart. Okay, it becomes something to do with the spices, with the hot sauce, and then you can barely tell, right, that you've taken the heart of a cow. Gross, Yovana, gross. You're eating like a barbarian. I mean, I don't think barbarians even eat this way. Then she's doing the full, the glamour shot, like, yeah, I got so excited about this beef heart, woo! Oh, I'm just disappointed. I'm just like, why? What is this? Huh? Oh gosh, it all starts too quickly. Let's go again. What? Collagen cookies! Right, okay, we go. Experience all the benefits of collagen in a delicious way. Baby wearing for the wind leaves my hands free. Oh yeah, okay. Follow Yovana for more healthy recipes. Girl, this is not healthy. So just a word from our sponsor, me. and the raw till 4 diet, the fruit-based diet, check out this amazing testimonial I was sent this year. This individual was 17 stone, 11 pound, lacto-vegetarian for 25 years, on a meat-heavy diet for 10 years, lots of dairy in my diet, several kneecap dislocations, heavy meds of type 2 diabetes, heavy meds for high blood pressure, meds for cholesterol, aspirin, heavily depressed, and a low self-esteem, all through his teens and 20s. Since he started Raw till 4, have now around 13 stone, 7 pounds, more than halved my diabetes and blood pressure meds, been taken off aspirin, feel more confident, not had any kneecap dislocations since adding more variety in my food. It's never boring, always colourful. Raw till 4 is a foundation of my fat loss. I probably wouldn't be alive today if I did not start my vegan Raw till 4 journey. It healed, and I feel stronger in my 40s than I ever did in my 20s. Wow, right? What an amazing testimonial. And you can get similar results on the Raw till 4 diet, on a fruit-based diet. It is amazing. It is transformational. It's changing lives all over the world of those people who actually stick with it. So check out the fruit-based diet. The links to my books are in the description below, or you can get the physical books on Amazon. This has been shown time and time. Look at all this butter. What? Wow. Okay, she's chucking a lot of butter in. Yeah, she's got the fake kind eggs. Wow, that was a lot of coconut sugar. So yeah, she's still having carbohydrates in there at least. Coconut flavor. Whoa, just dumping that collagen oh gosh, you can just imagine what that is. It's from the scrapings from the kill floor, the slaughterhouse floor, the bones, ligaments, cartilage, you know. It's just a waste product. Oh gosh, no. It just shows that, like, you can hide a lot of sins. You can hide a lot of sins in cookies, right? In something like this. Once you process it, who would know? Primal Kitchen's food, yeah, there you go. But you can hide a lot of things. It can just look like a cookie, like it's just something that's very innocent, but it's not. So, okay. Oh, I don't know what that thing is, but that looks like her birthday, 33. Okay, so she's like 9 years younger than me or so. What have we got here? Is this meal prepping? Yovana Mendoza, what happened to you? Back to school breakfast, meal prep with hefty brands. Hefty sponsor. Ugh. Yeah, so she's being sponsored by the Hefty Slider bags, make life like by the plastic bags. Okay. So she has basically pig butt, frying the pig butt and frying an hensy in there. Unfertilized reproductive cycle of a chicken. Huevos, yes, I remember that when I was in Ecuador, the name huevos for egg. Oh no, that looks terrible. Ugh, horrible. Tortillas. All right, so she's portioning it up. And what is this? Hefty meal prep. Is it, maybe this is what she's being sponsored by. By the paper company. Oh no, here it is. Yeah, these bags. Right, I wonder how much they paid her for this. Very, very interesting. I mean, like, does this really need to be advertised? I think we all know, you know, most people kind of like have used them, know about them in a supermarket, but obviously they want their Hefty brand out there. Just that familiarity thing, you know? Like, so when people go to the supermarket, they think, oh, Hefty. Oh, I saw that on Yovana's Instagram. Okay, yeah, I'll buy that. Smoothie meal prep. Well, at least she's got some bananas there, but the last thing was horrid. Plátano. Okay, I'm glad to see the smoothie. Okay, I'm glad. I want to see what this thing was here. Oh, okay, so she's glamping weekend. All right. Looks like a pretty ritzy, wealthy place. Oh, damn. Here's this guy just flaming up. Like, still eating like a caveman, obviously. Flaming it up there. Gosh, he is definitely the worst influence on her. You can tell he's definitely into this primal rubbish. Just makes people sick. gives them early heart attacks, lethargy. I can imagine how terrible she's feeling. She used to feel fantastic. Like in person, I know. I can verify that she used to feel fantastic eating high fruit when she was doing it properly, not eating high fat, high protein. Okay. Like, what kind of cake is that? He failed big time. What is that? Um, like, if someone served me that, I would be like, get the fuck out of here. Like, you want me to eat that for my birthday cake? Hang on. Look, excuse me for a moment. This probably is sweet, but I actually, because I've seen so much flesh on her page, I thought this was like some sort of mashed up beef, and this was like ghee. But now I'm thinking it's probably chocolate mousse, and this is like, and this is like a custard kind of tart thing, which is probably full of eggs and all of that milk, and so it's shocking anyway. But you know, okay. All right, cool. Yeah, so she's definitely on the wrong track still. As you can see, she's cutting up cows' hearts. And apparently, yeah, she was feeding raw liver to a little one. We know that. And doing it again recently. It seems to be a regular thing. And I'm just so scared for that little one. I'm calling little one because the other thing is not favorable with the AI. Yeah, it's just shocking. We know this is cruel. We know this is unhealthy. And I don't know really much more to say. It's really disturbing how happy she acts. Like she will be happy about anything if she's paid for it. If the camera's on, she's smiling, and it's very fake. Anyway, let me know in the comments down below what you think, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to go fruit yourself, and the channel is coming when we get some stable sunny weather.